beautiful. Now this is the first sighting we've had of whatever this bird is in the nest, and oh, sorry Jason.
This is very old.
It could well be a baby African harrier hawk. But I am not entirely sure. There were two African harrier hawks that did look like the owners of this nesting site, and I spent a lot of time here trying to habituate them and get them used to the vehicle, but they just wouldn't commit to being on the nest when we were anywhere nearby. Anyway, we're not sure if they got kicked out of this nest by another bird, or if they in fact managed to raise this chick that we can see in the nest. Now I'm guessing that is a chick, but as you can see, we can only see very, very little of its body. So hard to be certain exactly what it is that we're looking at, other than the fact that it's a bird of prey. How's the shot looking there, Jason?
I think it's fine, actually.
Good. And even the last time I was here, I did see the African harrier hawks here, so I'm guessing it is their chick, but they just did a good job of trying to keep this a hidden secret from us, which is all fair and well, considering all they're wanting is the best upbringing for their youngster, and I think the less people that know about this, the better. Well, not even necessarily people, animals in general, which we fall into that bracket. Well, we will keep monitoring this closely, but I don't want to stay here too long, because like I said, I do know the adults are nervous of us and therefore may not come back while we are here, and therefore leave this chick hungry. We've been nice home in a fork of this beautiful torchwood tree.